Hey guys, Brett from Spalloon. Very excited to take you through our product line today, so let's get started. This is the Spalloon paddle. Spins freely. It's got a grid system that allows you to snap in the skins that can be custom printed, okay? So the skins come pre-perforated if you want to print them yourself. You can put stickers on them, you can print them yourself with a UV flatbed, and also you can order them custom off our website, okay? You get your skin, snap it out. You have slots 1 and 2 here, always one on the left, okay? Put it in the left side, snap it into place, and you're good to go, okay? A great way to take this out is to use the vehicle mount with the suction cup, stick it on the bottom right corner, and tug hard, and you're good to go. Alternatively, if you don't have a vehicle mount, that's what that second slot is for on the right. You can take a flathead screwdriver, something flat, pop it in there, and snap it out as well. Okay guys, this is your A-frame mount. You take this bolt out here, slide out the male end, attach it to the top corner of your A-frame. Slide this over top, lock it into place, make your necessary adjustments for your angle, and this is a bonus riser mount that you can customize risers for. That's your A-frame mount. Okay guys, this is your scissor mount. This is a universal mounting system that can be pretty much mounted anywhere, okay? It's got 6 holes for permanent installation on any wood signage, okay? Any angle necessary. On top of that, you have all these slots for zip tie for temporary installation. Each mount comes with a 90-degree clip and a round clip. So the round clip, think fence lines, okay? And the 90-degree, think patio squared off railings. So these clip into place, snap, snap, easy on, easy off, and you're off to the races. Scissor mount. This is the Spalloon vehicle mount. You roll the window down, you slide this over top, seal it up, adjust your angle, tighten it up, put your Spalloon on. This suction cup sticks against the window and gives you added support. That's your vehicle mount.